Hey, the holidays are upon us. I know a lot of you are Googling recipes for Thanksgiving left and right. I'm going to show you my sweet potato casserole today. Let's get started.
You will need a large can of Bruce's sweet yams, a half cup of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, a half cup of milk, 2 eggs beaten, half stick of margarine, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
All right, so I have my eggs in the bowl. I'm going to beat them, but I'm going to add in my vanilla extract, my salt, the milk, sugar, and my butter. Come on. All right, I'm gonna mix this in. Now that we've got most of the stuff, most of the ingredients in the bowl, we're gonna add in the yams. Don't forget to drain them. And then we're going to stir this in. That's basically what it looks like. Not exactly yummy yet, but I promise you the finished product is. All right, so we're going to pour this into our baking dish. And then we're gonna make the topping.
For the topping, you will need a half cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of pecans or chopped nuts, a 1/3 cup of flour, 1/3 stick of margarine melted.
You're gonna need your brown sugar, flour, melted butter, and chopped pecans. I'm going to take a second to mix this together before I put in the pecans. All right, once you have it all blended well, you wanna throw in your pecans. Mix it one good time. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes when I see the mixture this dry, I throw in a little extra melted butter just to coat the pecans. Got my casserole here, and we're going to top it. Try to spread it around a little bit. Kind of like it clumpy. Imperfection is perfection, so they say. All right, now we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes until it's firm and crusty. All right. All right, now that you've let it bake for about 35 minutes, I'll be honest with you, I let this bake for about 55 minutes. I put it in a deeper dish, so it took a little bit longer. But the key is to make sure that it is firm and crusty. So, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious?